All right, y'all. I just want to give y'all a quick update on this Clickbank campaign I've been running that y'all been seeing me run for like the past few weeks. Let me see. Yesterday, let me move my face out the way. Yesterday, we was able to get a little over 1,160 link clicks for 5 cents a piece, and we ended up spending $62. If I go to my Clickbank account, you can see yesterday, September 7th, we made 109. The good thing about this campaign is it started off at $0. I think I spent like $30 or $40 before I got my first sale yesterday. And yeah, I wasn't about to shut the campaign off or nothing. I was just gonna let it run anyway. But a lot of people would have seen that and be like, oh, I'm cutting it off. It's not getting any sales, blah blah blah. By the end of the day, I ended up with 109, as you can see. So that's the power of just letting these campaigns run. And yeah, man, you get blessed with little results like this. It's almost a 2x ROI. Um, yeah, that's pretty good. But I forgot to mention on my last video, I was doing a giveaway of my elite course for everybody that left a comment. So we can do that right now. Copy the link address. Boom, get YouTube comments. 14 people commented. Now let's pick a winner. Dun dun dun. Move this out the way. Abdikarim Bear. Always valuable, JT. It is that simple. So if this is you, reach out to me, man. Facebook, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Provide some proof. And, I'll get you access to the elite course. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all an update on this campaign. And I'll see y'all in the next video.